always take natural medicine.
Baba always take natural medicine.
The natural herb, Indian herb I use from
Indian
boyhood.
herbs Baba used from his childhood. He don't take any medicine.
Some tips for young generation.
Young generation ने की बार्ता देते चाहो बाबा?
And she said, Ayurvedic medicine will give you permanent relief, no side effect.
Your word, no desire, no disease. What is this?
No desire, no disease, Baba.
Masha. Means I have no desire for any kind of material object.
Baba, one thing.
Material object पे ही बाबांकर किसी desire नहीं.
Second, disease. In morning,
Baba.
what is your herb and tiffin?
What is your lifestyle?
In morning.
बाबा सकाळ
When
उठी
you wake up in the morning,
Desireless bacteria.
बाबा अपनी कत समय उठे? तीनटे समय. उन समय उठे अपनी.
I get up from my bed, say about 3 a.m.
3 a.m.
Which type of food you take?
बाबा की खाओ?
I try, now I cannot take solid food, only liquid food.
बाबा
Chana, I cannot take.
बाबा solid food खाते नहीं, liquid food खाऊचंती. परिवार सिजा और सामा जो सामा चावल तो इटा को सिजे की खाती, और मुड़ी एकदम गुंड मुड़ी खाती, बार्ली खाती, और रोटी भिजे की डाली रे खाती.
You can read any newspaper clearly.
Yes.
Without specs, you can read any newspaper.
right?
Yes. আপনি কি চশমা বিনা নিউজপেপার পড়তে পারে?
না চশমা আমার আছে, চশমা লাগে না।
চশমা আছে, চশমা লাগে।
When you go to bed at night,
When you go to bed at night,
There is around about 9 p.m.
8:39.
what is your message to
यंग
society.
जनरेशन के सोसाइटी के की मैसेज बार्ता देते चाहो बाबा?
Follow my lifestyle to enjoy, to maintain good health.
Okay,
And
thank you.
follow my lifestyle.